Enchanting Savoury Galette, a symphony of flaky delights. Mix all the dry ingredients. Add the tiny cubes of butter, mix it through, add the ice cold water and gently mix it, but do not over mix it. Add some flour on the table. Roll the dough into a generous rectangle. Fold it into thirds widthwise, creating a compact package with 3 layers of dough. Turn the short end towards you and repeat the folding process 2 more times. Let the dough rest for 30 minutes in the fridge. Repeat the process folding the dough 3 more times. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. Divide and conquer. Slice the chilled dough in half. Lightly flour your work surface and roll each half into a large square. Fold the outer 2 inches of dough over the filling, letting it overlap every 2 to 3 inches. Pinch the dough lightly to seal, creating a rustic, beautiful border.